Hello everyone, my name is Jyotsna Nag and I am from Agra. I have joined Nidhu and Ambika's High Vibrational Challenge. So it's been almost a week now. I am part of this program. The reason why I joined the program was because I saw some kind of a common pattern which was happening in my life. And considering that, I was thinking, what is this and why is this happening again and again? I wanted to break it. I didn't know how to do it and what is the reason behind all these things happening again and again with me. I was putting my all effort, time, energy, everything into my work and my family, but still I was seeing there were some negative emotions, negative things which were happening around me in spite of me being in that positive state of mind. I joined from the day one, and that day we were asked to write all the non-supporting thoughts that we usually think in our mind and list it down. So whatever was there in our head, we just brought it out on the pen and paper, and started listing those. And since then, every day we have been working on those non-supporting thoughts of ours, which we have created, or we might have. It is there in our mind from a very long time because of some situation or condition, and every day there has been sessions like the meditation, then journaling, right? Then doing self work, mirror work, gratitude writing, and all those everyday activities is helping us not just in improving our own self but also helping in improving the relation with our family members. And I can see the way I am, the change in the last 1 week, how things are changing for me, how I have started realizing and being more conscious about my own thoughts, my own actions, and even my own words, not just with myself but also with my daughter and my husband. So, the last 7 days, this 1 week has been really, really a big change for me. Yes, there has been some lows also, where I was able to break a lot of uh, what do I say, things which I was holding back. But after doing those activities and the sessions, attending the everyday sessions, I could break free myself and come out of all those thoughts which was holding me back. Now, after a week, I feel really light from within, and I feel that it has the things which was there in my mind. I have just broken it and I have let it go. Everything has come out, and I'm more open, more free from within, not just from outside, but I'm feeling free from more from within. It's about being at peace, being at rest, and taking things as it comes, and not trying too hard to do things which doesn't serve purpose for us, right? So this 1 week journey has really been a big transformation for me, and I think it has come in the right moment because I totally believe when we look for answers and we send the message out there, we get the path. It is just up to us to work on it. And I just grabbed this opportunity and joined this 15 days program, High Vibrational Challenge, where I thought if I do this, I will be helping my own self. So, and Nidhu and Ambika has been really, really a game changer for me. They are they are doing all their best to make us a person, not just from the outer side, but be a person who we are actually and how we want to be actually from within. So that is what they are bringing out from us in this challenge, and that is the best part. So a lot of things which I had stopped, I have started again doing those things again, and it has been a wonderful journey so far. Looking forward to continuing it for the next 15-20 days more till the challenge is there. So thank you Nidhu, and thank you Ambika for all that you both have designed. I am sure whoever is stuck with themselves, with have a lot of thoughts, have a lot of questions, they should join this program, and from here they can start getting those, decoding their thought process and getting those answers in front of them. So it is a wonderful experience for me. It has been a transformational journey for me so far, and I'm sure it will be for all those who join this challenge.